Hello everyone, this is TechBoost and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the Rolfstone Nova wireless earbuds. These earbuds received so many positive reviews that I wanted to try them out myself. I have been using them for a month now and I'm very surprised. They are comfortable in your ears and the sound is good and well isolated. In addition, they did not drop out once during normal use and exercise. But despite my positive impression, there are still areas for improvement. First of all, Rolfstone is not very well known to the most of us, but the product design, starting off with the packaging, is very neat. This is what you will find inside the packaging. Of course, the case with the Rolfstone Nova earbuds. This case is also a charging case. Ear tips in sizes small, medium and large. A micro USB cable to charge the case or to charge the earbuds in directly inside the case. And last but not least, the user manual. But what do they have to offer? Check out the specifications of these earbuds. Connecting the Rolfstone Nova earbuds is really simple. Enable Bluetooth on your device and press the button on the earbuds for 3 seconds. Rolfstone Nova will appear in your Bluetooth list. Select it and you will hear a sound through the earbuds when it's connected. You need to know the controls to use them properly. So, press once to play or pause your music. Press twice to play the next song in your playlist. Press 3 times to play the previous song in your playlist. Press once to accept or end a phone call. Press the button for 3 seconds to turn the earbuds on. These are the LED indicators for charging. At the back there is a micro USB port for your charger. So what is my conclusion? I think that they have a nice design, the sound is really good, the fit is perfect, even when I use them for sports they never drop out. The only downsides are the controls and the missing volume button. I have to press the button for the next song for example, and when I do this often it gives a bad feeling in my ear. However, true wireless earbuds for €80 with this performance is really value for the money. For more info, check the link in the description. I hope this review helped you out. If you want to see more or you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you all for watching guys, have a nice day.